So what the serverless computing is? So serverless computing is basically a computing that will allow your developers or your application builders to just focus on the application code and business rather than worrying about the underlying infrastructure. So let's say you have an application that you have built and you want it to be user accessible. What will you do? You will need a server for that. An application needs to be run on the server. The dependencies for an application to run on is can be a physical server or a on-premises server or a cloud computing server as well. So what serverless computing is that basically serverless computing offers you a solution that will involve no overhead of managing the servers as well. The serverless computing is a cloud computing model where the cloud providers takes the responsibility for managing the infrastructure and automatically allocates resources based on demand. So as the name suggests, serverless computing. So now one question arises in mind is that is serverless computing actually serverless? So the answer to that is no. There is no such thing. There is no such solution that we can actually provide to the customers that where there is no actual server present in behind and your application is running on. There is no possibility that your application is just running on abstract and just running on in air. There are servers present, but why we call them serverless is that because they are fully managed by the cloud providers. They are, in our case, they are fully managed by Microsoft Azure itself. We do not have to worry about the servers. We do not have to worry about scaling them up or down according to our needs. Everything will be fully managed by the Azure serverless solutions itself.